Welcome to Turkington's. We're Northern Ireland's Turkington Group. We're a privately owned company with an annual turnover in excess of £20 million, who have been working in construction-related industries throughout the UK and Ireland for over 60 years. Turkington's was founded in 1951 by Harry Turkington and has grown continually over 65 years of family ownership. In 1985, we moved to our current location, a 40-acre site in Portadown, Northern Ireland. Today, Turkington's activities are primarily construction-related and chiefly include public and private sector construction and property development, precast concrete manufacturing, and the supply and installation of aluminium and PVC windows, doors and curtain walling for both commercial and domestic buildings. Turkington's success is built on strong relationships with clients, staff and suppliers, and our group companies are structured to provide an integrated service model, meaning we can work seamlessly or separately, depending on the needs of each customer and the nature of each project. Turkington's have an excellent reputation for quality workmanship. Our ISO-accredited management systems ensure that every project is completed on time, within budget, and to the required specification. Turkington have worked with some of the best-known brands in the British Isles and have extensive experience with large-scale public-private partnerships. The largest operating divisions of Turkington's are our construction and property development divisions. These work across the residential, commercial and retail sectors. In the past 30 years, the value of projects within these divisions has been over £800 million. Since 1985, Turkington's have produced residential developments with over 400 housing units. These have included Glendinning on the outskirts of Portadown, the attractive Shandon Close and Ballyholme View developments in Bangor, the upmarket Grange in Antrim and Waveney Brow, an extensive private housing development in Ballymena, Ocean View in Castle Rock on Northern Ireland's north coast. A final, somewhat larger residential example was our two student accommodation projects with the University of Ulster. In the world of commercial development, our construction division's experience and management expertise, combined with our commitment to building long-term partnerships, always assures excellent quality and value for money. Since 1997, our success in construction has been augmented by a large portfolio of our own developments and private-public partnerships. Carlton House was the first of a group of high-specification office accommodation blocks designed for prestigious international tenants in Belfast city centre. The nearby James House was the largest government office space letting of its time. In 2009, we completed a 4-storey secure office project which became home to Belfast European Union government departments. The same year also saw the construction of the impressive Law Society House on Victoria Street in Belfast. In Belfast Harbour Estate, another fast-track project was G4S's high-specification Alarm Response Centre, one of the most secure private buildings in Northern Ireland. Close by, we developed Clare House, part of the Harbourgate development, which saw us forging further innovative alliances with local government. Our award-winning and iconic Laganside Courts development was, at the time, Northern Ireland's largest PFI contract. The Juvenile Justice Centre in Rathgale is the most advanced facility of its kind on the island of Ireland. Lisburn Library was another successful PFI contract for Turkington's, a modern library with retail and office accommodation. And finally, the PSNI's striking Musgrave Street District Command Unit, built to exacting standards. Turkington's have also excelled over the years in producing some of the country's best-known retail and leisure developments. These include a car showroom for Lindsay Ford, fast-tracked using state-of-the-art construction techniques. A long-term relationship with Omniplex saw the development of East Point Entertainment Village in Dundonald in 2009, followed by another impressive cinema development in Craigavon and featuring one of only 3 giant Max screens in Ireland. Turkington's have also forged a long-term partnership with Tesco to develop some truly landmark properties. These include the Square in Cumber, a redevelopment and extension of existing retail premises on Belfast Dublin Road, the fast-track design and build of a Tesco superstore in Enniskillen, a large Tesco Extra in Newry. In Armagh, a wonderful Tesco store built primarily using steel and timber. And our largest retail projects? Retail parks, where we can really showcase our skills in large-scale project development, land assembly and the navigation of complex planning requirements. This park is Braidwater in Ballymena, anchored by a B&Q megastore. And this is our second retail park project at Highfield in Craigavon. Alongside major retailers like Halfords and B&Q sits Ireland's largest and most unique Tesco store. Built on stilts, it features a host of sustainable features such as timber cladding, energy-efficient glazing and roof-mounted wind catchers. So there you have it, Turkington's, one of Northern Ireland's success stories. We're quality to a T. If you'd like to find out more, please visit turkington-holdings.com.